Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Baby Gender Reveal Gifts is probably one of the most exciting and memorable ways to celebrate the upcoming arrival of a new family member, offering a unique opportunity for parents-to-be and their loved ones to share in the joy and anticipation of discovering whether it's a boy or a girl. These thoughtful presents add an extra layer of fun and personalization to the already thrilling gender reveal party, creating cherished moments and lasting memories that will be treasured for years to come as the family grows and the little one embarks on their journey. Number 5. Bubzi Co. Baby Hand and Footprint Kit. Preserve your baby's tiny handprints and footprints forever with this easy-to-use kit. It's the perfect way to create a lasting keepsake of their early days. This kit allows you to create a beautiful clay imprint of your baby's hands and feet. It's a wonderful addition to any nursery and a treasure you'll look back on fondly. Looking for the perfect gift for a new mom? This keepsake frame is a thoughtful and personalized present for baby showers and registry. It's a gift that truly keeps on giving. Add a touch of elegance to your baby's nursery with this stylish picture frame. The fresh white finish complements any decor, making it a beautiful display piece. Crafted with safety and simplicity in mind, this mold kit is designed for a mess-free experience. You can easily create a perfect imprint without any hassle. This handprint mold kit helps you capture a moment in time that will become a cherished family heirloom. It's a beautiful way to celebrate your little one's arrival. What we like? This is a wonderful way to preserve those precious early moments. It allows you to create a lasting memento of your baby's tiny hands and feet. If you are looking for a deeply personal and sentimental gift that will be cherished for years, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The product is a great addition to any baby shower, offering a fun and interactive way to reveal the baby's gender. It's designed with vibrant colors and engaging elements that keep guests entertained throughout the reveal process. The gender reveal mechanism is easy to set up and use, ensuring a smooth and memorable experience for everyone involved. Number 4. Little Me Cotton Footie Pajamas. Introducing our incredibly soft cotton footie pajamas, designed for ultimate comfort. Keep your little ones snug and warm all night long. These footed sleepers are perfect for both baby boys and girls. They provide a secure and comfortable fit, allowing for easy movement. Designed with convenience in mind, these pajamas make diaper changes a breeze. Spend less time fussing and more time cuddling. Crafted from breathable cotton, they ensure your baby stays comfortable without overheating. It's the perfect choice for sensitive skin. Ensure your baby enjoys peaceful and restful sleep. These footie pajamas are the ideal companion for sweet dreams. Trust Little Me for quality sleepwear that lasts. These footed sleepers are a must-have for any baby's wardrobe. What we like? Comfort and practicality are key with these sleepwear essentials. The soft cotton ensures your baby stays cozy, while the footed design keeps them warm. If you prioritize comfort and ease of use for everyday wear and nighttime, these are a fantastic option for your little one. What people say? It's hard to find clothes that fit well for small newborns. This one is perfect. I also like the side snapping feature, as the closure isn't right under his chin. And that the snaps are only one leg. It's easier to get the buttons lined up, especially when my baby is kicking or squirming. Soft and comfortable outfit with cute hat for premature infant. Great as take home from hospital outfit. The outfit is soft and bright white. It's a perfect gift for a baby shower. Number 3. Baby Swaddle Blanket, Ultra Soft Plush Essential. Wrap your little one in ultimate softness. This plush blanket is designed for maximum comfort for your infant. It's the ideal swaddling solution for newborns up to 6 months old. Ensure a snug and secure fit every time. This classic white receiving wrap adds a touch of elegance. It's a beautiful and practical addition to any nursery. Looking for the perfect newborn registry item? This swaddle blanket is a must-have for new parents. Searching for a thoughtful baby shower gift? This ultra-soft swaddle is a wonderful choice for both baby boys and girls. Help your baby feel secure and sleep soundly. The gentle swaddle mimics the womb, promoting peaceful rest. What we like? Wrap your little one in ultimate comfort and security. The plush material is incredibly gentle on delicate skin, and its size makes swaddling a breeze. If you are seeking a cozy and safe way to help your newborn feel secure and sleep soundly, this is an ideal choice. What people say. This is a great item for a gender reveal party. It is a fun and exciting way to reveal the gender. The product is well made and durable. Number 2. ZIRI and ZANE Baby Sock Gift Set. Introducing the ZIRI and ZANE Baby Sock Gift Set, featuring 7 unique pairs. These socks are designed to be both cute and funny, perfect for any little one. Looking for the ideal gift for a baby shower or registry? This unisex set offers a variety of charming designs that new parents will adore. Crafted with care, these socks ensure maximum comfort for your baby's delicate feet. They are made to last, providing warmth and style. Our collection features unisex patterns suitable for both baby boys and girls. You'll find a perfect match for every outfit and occasion. This set provides 7 distinct pairs, offering great value and variety. It's a thoughtful and practical gift that any new parent will appreciate. Trust ZIRI and ZANE for adorable and high-quality baby essentials. We are dedicated to bringing you the best for your little ones. What we like. Add a touch of fun and style to your baby's wardrobe. This set offers a delightful assortment of cute and unique pairs to match any occasion. If you love coordinating adorable outfits and want practical yet charming accessories, this gift set is a perfect pick. What people say. The gender reveal confetti poppers are a fantastic addition to any party, creating a memorable moment. These poppers release a vibrant burst of blue or pink confetti, making the reveal exciting and visually appealing. The confetti is designed to float and flutter, adding a magical touch to the celebration. Number 1. Jasmyn and Greene New Mom Gift Basket. Celebrate the journey to motherhood with a thoughtfully curated gift. This basket is designed to pamper and support expecting moms during this special time. Discover 9 exquisite items, each chosen to bring comfort and joy. It's the ideal way to show you care for the mom-to-be. This comprehensive kit extends beyond pregnancy, offering essential items for postpartum recovery. It's a complete care package for new mothers. Delight in a charming collection perfect for a baby girl. This set includes lovely items to welcome the new arrival. Experience a touch of luxury with spa-inspired gifts designed for relaxation. These treats are perfect for a pregnant woman to unwind and feel pampered. Every item has been selected with the new mom in mind. Give the gift of relaxation and essential care. What we like. This is a thoughtful collection designed to spoil both mom and baby. It includes a variety of high-quality items for postpartum care and newborn essentials. If you are searching for an all-in-one, luxurious gift basket that caters to the expecting or new mother's needs, this is an exceptional choice. What people say. The confetti cannons are a fun and exciting way to reveal the gender. The balloons are large and vibrant, making a great visual impact. The set includes everything needed for a memorable reveal party. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.